Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off simple mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down and tap on System and Updates. Then click on Simple Mode and click on Enable. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode is now on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, go into Settings again and click on Exit Simple Mode. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!